Hey guys, it's Dr. Kumra. I hope you're doing well. Wanted to talk to you today about the importance of home care and hygiene during your braces experience. Over here, we have an awesome patient about to get braces on. If you look at the teeth, you see the spacing, but you see that the gum is nice and tight around the top of the tooth. The good and the bad here is when we got the braces on, our patient actually wasn't getting in there and flossing the way we wanted to. Because of that, the gum tissue has grown over the teeth. If you take a look again, you see how much the gum tissue has gone over. Really, what's going on with that in a scientific way is it's puffy, it's irritated, it's infected. So unfortunately for this patient, what we did is we sent them home with no wire in. We still put the color ties around the teeth, but that gave the patient a good chance to go ahead and get in there, brush, floss, and really clean well. They have to prove to us that they want to be in treatment and they're going to take care of the teeth. Fortunately, we did have to talk to the parent about early termination of treatment because here, what we do is we care about the overall picture. You guys have probably heard me say this before. I would prefer your teeth to have spaces or be crowded and healthy than straight, perfectly look cosmetically great and about to fall out because we're not caring for them well. We care about the overall picture of you and your child's teeth and their health and stability here. We really want to make sure we're doing our part to give you the best chance to keep it that way. Thanks again, guys. Super important video, super important concept over here. Call me if you have any questions. Thanks.